If you feel like you're struggling to get a win, the easiest win you can get every day is wake up, get out of your bed, and make it. It's going to put your mind in a better place because you accomplished a super easy task. It's going to make you feel better because your room doesn't look disastrous. But it puts you on a trajectory to go look for other ways to win. And it sounds really, really dumb. I get it. I got better things to do. Why am I doing? Make your bed. Just wake up, do the super simple task, put the covers back up, put the pillows so that they look nice. Changes your mindset, and it's going to set you up for more successes throughout the day. And it's super simple. It takes 15 seconds. Don't even worry about it. Go get your easy win tomorrow morning and make your bed.